Welcome to the Redrow Homes video that demonstrates our new requirements relating to social distancing that's been created in accordance with government guidelines to safeguard the well-being of all our people who visit and work on our sites. We've been working very hard to ensure that we implement new policies and procedures to ensure that everybody who visits, works and exits our sites are kept safe at all times. I'm on a typical Redrow site, and the requirements that have been put in place should be easily implemented across all the sites in each of the divisions. In this film, we're going to demonstrate how the requirements can be implemented by our site staff and subcontractors on their return to work. The health, safety and well-being of all of our site staff, subcontractors, visitors and customers are of utmost importance to us. We've therefore enhanced our on-site cleaning regimes, our working practices and our social distancing measures. A whistleblower safeguard measure has been introduced by Redrow for the benefit of our subcontractors and our customers. As well as the new measures, it's important that we continue to follow our existing health, safety and environmental requirements. If works cannot be carried out safely, all works must stop immediately and assessments must be carried out. Please continue to use Red SMI as normal. We will be introducing a new signing system for the benefit of the COVID-19 supervisor to ensure that everybody can be signed in via the system. It is also vitally important that every home is handed over with zero defects, not only for the benefit of our customer service team, but more importantly for the benefit of our customers. I'm joined here by Andy Pearson, Area Structure Manager for Redrow Homes South East. Andy is wearing the high-vis vest that will be worn by the COVID-19 supervisor. Andy, what does that mean?
It means I'm the site supervisor for COVID-19. I manage everything on site to do with COVID-19. If you have any concerns, you can contact me directly or phone me on the number on the site signage around site.
The vast majority of our subcontractors will have to arrive between 7 and 9 a.m. in the morning. Any visitors outside of this time frame will have to make an appointment with the COVID-19 supervisor.
If you are travelling to site, you must travel on your own. You are still allowed to use the site car park. Please reverse park, allowing 2 metre social distancing. Once you've parked, please follow the footpath to the site compound. Here we have the 2 metre guidance for social distancing.
At the entrance to the site, you'll see a new sign that reminds everybody to self-screen. If you are showing symptoms of the virus, you must not enter site and you must notify your COVID-19 supervisor accordingly.
There is a hand cleaning station inside. It is mandatory to use it before entering site. There may be staggered start and finish times. To reduce congestion, please use the 2 metre social distancing markings on the ground. Walkways like this don't allow for safe passing. Passing points will be provided. Please be considerate to other people around you.
Where possible, please try and make walkways one way. As you can see in this particular situation, there's a one-way route to the containers and out the other side.
Everyone entering site must report to the COVID-19 supervisor. You will find me here between 7 a.m. and 9 a.m. Everyone entering must again queue up safely using the 2 metre markers. You will be asked some additional health questions. Please answer these honestly to help protect the rest of the workforce. Everyone returning to work will need to have a COVID-19 induction. This is to confirm that they have read and understood our new terms and conditions and the different conditions out on site. When this is done, you'll get a blue induction sticker for your hat. This will mean you won't have to do it again. As you can see behind me, both the smoking and vaping areas are open. Only a certain amount of people can use this at one time. In this situation, it's 1 per bay. Canteens will still be open for use and signage will be on display explaining the new measures. We have removed cutlery and crockery. Please make sure you bring your own. Kettles, microwaves and services must be cleaned down. External caterers must provide prepared and wrapped food only. Please do not leave site to visit local shops for your food. These areas have reduced seating to keep in line with social distancing measures. Some seating will be noted as out of use with signs such as these. You may even find that some of it is removed. Drying rooms will still be available to use with 2 metre distancing markings on the floor and benches. Lockers won't be available, so please take your clothing home with you. Hand sanitizer will be available on entry. Toilets will still be in use, and like other facilities, signage will be displayed on the front of them. The use of certain urinals, sinks and cubicles will be restricted in order to ensure that the 2 metre social distancing guidance can be adhered to. You must ensure that you use the hand sanitizer before entering the toilet block, and we will ensure that there are stocks of toilet paper, soap, hand sanitizer and disposable towels. When you enter our site offices, you will notice some differences. All site office doors will be closed and signage will be displayed on the front. Please alert the site manager to your presence and wait until you are asked to enter. As you can see, 2 metre restrictions are in place. Please make sure you use the hand sanitizer when entering the office. Multi-use rooms will still be available for use for meetings, inductions, prayers and reflection. Meetings are likely to be held remotely. Inductions will be held outside unless the weather prevents this. Hand sanitizer is available in this area.
Our commercial departments have requested that our subcontractors review their risk assessments and method statements in line with the new guidance. Entry to the site will be refused if a subcontractor's RAMs are not adjusted accordingly.
In accordance with our guidelines, mobile hand sanitizer units will be available throughout the site along with bins. Our guidance dictates that there can only be one trade on each floor in a plot at any one time. Outside the plot, there will be a chain with a sign displayed saying that people are working inside. If the 2 metre guidance cannot be adhered to, your company RAMs should reflect this. When there are 2 trades inside the plot and the front doors closed, please ensure that all windows are open to allow ventilation throughout the plot.
Thank you for watching the video. I hope you found it helpful. We've put these procedures in place to make sure that we are all kept safe. However, it is important that we enforce these guidelines, and we cannot make it work without your commitment and compliance. On behalf of Redrow Homes, thank you very much.